O, tapos na recess. Okay, ubusan na dana ang inyong mga pagkaon and we will proceed to our next subject. We will proceed to our next subject, which is math. In the count of 5, dapat wala na kami makita ang gakaon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, before we'll start our lesson, our new lessons, let me present to you the objective this morning. So our objective in this morning, okay, group 1, everybody read. Okay, group 2, group 3, all together read. Alright, so let's all stand. Bianca, read the prayer, please. Amen. So, pagina, na-check ko naman ang inyong attendance. Okay na. Now, let me present to you our classroom rules. Our classroom rules in this morning. First, you need to group 1 read. You need to listen to your teachers. So now you need to listen when I am discussing here in front in order for you to have a new knowledge sa atong topic this morning. Next, is group 2 read. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Okay, raise your right hand if you want to answer. O, itaas ang kanang kamay kung nais sumagot kung sa Filipino. Wala daw. Para may ma-answer in chorus. And last, group 3, read. Okay, respect each other. So, respect all the persons that makita nyo sa sulod sa room, especially ang teacher na teach diri sa front. Understand? Yes. And now, what will we do to our classroom rules? Yes, obey and follow. So, this morning, I have here a situation. I give you a situation. Ah. Everybody read group 1. Okay, group 2 read. Okay, group 3 read. Okay, Leia has 23 balloons. Her friend give her 12 more. How many balloons does she have now? Okay, question. What should we do to find the total? Okay. Sino ko no ang Sino kuno ang tao sa aton nga situation? We have si Leia. Si Leia kuno may 23 ka balloons. Then, may ara siya kuno friend. Hinggaan siya kuno sa iya friend sang 12 pagid ka balloons. Then, ang pamangkot, pilatanan ang balloon nga ara na kay Leia. Okay? And what should we do to find the total? Ano ko nang himuon ta? Ha? What should we do? Yes, very good. I-add ta ko no ang balon ni Leia kag ang hatag sang iya friend. So, what operation should we use? Ano ko no? We use very good addition. We use addition operation 2 in order to find the total sang balon ni Leia. Ang pamangkot, paano bala mag-add? Kabalutanan mag-add? Sino ting hindi kabalo mag-add? Ano gani ang add? Yes, dugang. Ang 5, dugangan sang 5, pilatanan? 10. Very good. Now, in adding 2-digit numbers without regrouping, we need to add the ones first, then the tens. So, this is the 1, the 2, and the 3 and 2. Example, 2 and 3 plus 1 and 2. Sa Leia ko no, may ara na daan balon nga 23. Then, ginggaan siya ko no, sang iyang friend, sang 12 paghid. Ang pamangkot, pilatanan kabalon ang ara kay Leia. So, paano ko na mag-add? So, hambal diri, we add the ones first. So, this is the 1. The place number 1. Say, 3 plus 2. Ang tatlo ko no, dugangan ta sang 2, pilatanan. Yes, tsakto, 5. So, isulata di ang 5. Next, diri naman ta sa 10. Then, ang 2 ko no, idugangan ta sang 1, pilatanan. Yes, very good. 3. Pilatanan ang balon nga ara kay Leia. Yes, ari siya 35 tanan ka balloons ang ara kay Leia. Another example. Another example. Kung ami ara naman niya sa Leia, sang 41 ka balloon, Then, ginggaan sa sang iya friend, 18 pagid kabalo. Pila tanan kabalon ang ara kay Leia? We have ang isa kuno dugangan ta kawalo. Pila tanan? We have 9. Dayon, ang 4 kuno, ang 4, dugangan, tas ang isa, pila tanan? 5, very good. Pila na tanan kabalon ang ara kay Leia? We have 59 kabalons. Then, kung may ara naman niya liwat B, kung si Leia kuno, pagka next day, may ara naman si Leia, 32 kabalon. Dayon, ginggaan sa sang iya friend. Lain naman nga friend ang nagatag sa iya. For example, ginggaan siya 17 kabalon. Lain naman nga friend. Pila tanan kabalon ang ara kay Leia? Pila tanan kabalon? We have pila ka balon? Ang 2 kuno, plus ta ang 7, pila? Ang 7 kuno, dugangan ta 2, pila? Yes, 9. Next, ang 3 kuno, dugangan ta 1, pila tanan? Yes, 4. Pila tanan ka balon? 49, very good. What if pagka next day, may ara naman balon si Leia. 54 naman ka balon. After that, may ara naman ginggaan naman siya ulit sa iya nga friend. Ang iya friend may ara sa 25 ka balon. So, pila tanan ka balon ang ara kay Leia? Okay, who can answer? Who can solve here in front? Yes. So, ang 4 kuno, ang 4 kuno, dugangan ka 5, pila? Do you think it is correct? Kailan taon tabi kung correct ang iya answer? So, ang 4 kuno, dugangan sang 5. Pila? 9. Very good. Next, ang 5 kuno, dugangan naman 2. Pila? 7 or 7. It is correct? Yes, it's correct. So, kabalo na kung paano mag-add? Kabalo na kung paano mag-add? Sino pag ginang wala kagat? Tanan kabalo na? Very good. So, paano ito gani mag-add ulit? Paano ito gani ulit mag-add? Yes. Una, dirita maagi sa wala, i-add ta danay ang sa ones place number. So, dirita danay sa punta, i-add ni siya pakadto pa wala. Halin sa tuo, pakadto sa wala nga pag-add. Very good. So, may tanan naka-intindi na? Why na? Pamangkot? Clarification? Wala na? Now, I will group you into 3 groups. Each group, may ara ka mo activity. So, ma-count off the danay. Okay. Count off from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Group 1 here, group 2 here, and group 3. So, and having a group activity, what are those mga rules na need to i-follow? Yes, first, we need to choose a leader, secretary, and then the reporter. Next, we have, yes, cooperate with the group. Next, what else? Share ideas. What else? Wala na? Amo na siya ha. Wala may magahod or maggahod nga hindi naka depende sa aton topic this morning. So, hay na. 'Di ba? Each group ng I have here an envelope. Kita niyo envelope. So, each envelope contains of an activity. So, may-ari ka mo may-ari ko din na situation nga ginhatag, then you need to solve. Ha, buligan, mabulig ang kada members na para dasig matapos ang aton nga ulubrahon. For the group 1, group 2, group 3. You can start na. I give you only 10 minutes to do your activity. Nga agagahod ng iban tapos na group 3. Group 3 tapos na. Okay pa. Tapos na. Group 1, are you done? Group 2, are you done? Group 3, are you done? Yes. Okay. Group 1, prepare your work. Paste here in front or in the board. Group 1, paste your work. Butante sa tubangan. Okay. Let's hear the presentation of Group 1. Group 1, present your work. Alright, so let's check if sakto ba ang works ng group 1. So, 20, so 26 plus 13 is equal to, we have 39 is correct. Now, let's give a magaling clap to group 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, magaling. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, magaling. Okay, magaling group 1. Next, let's proceed to group 2. Group 2, present your work. Alright, let's check. So, 45 plus 22 is equals to 67. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Now, let's give to group 2 ay maganda clap. Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, maganda. Now, everybody, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, maganda. Maganda ang gawa ng group 2. Next, let's proceed to last group. Group 3, present your work. Alright, let's check if it's correct. So 31 plus 14 is equal to 72. It is correct. Very good. It is correct. Magaling group 3. Let's give them a magaling clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Magaling. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Magaling group 3. So, before we will proceed, so any questions, clarification, kabalo na tanan, kabalo na? Yes. Now, please get one whole sheet of pad paper. One whole. Papers up. Then, your pencils. Pencils up. Down. Write your name, grade, school, and section. Alright. Alright. Na? Alright. All together, read the direction. Add the two numbers without regroupings. Right? Copy and answer. So you can start now. I give you only 5 minutes or 10 minutes to answer this. Avoid talking to your seatmate. You answer tabala. Wala, may mastorya sa tupad. Tristan. Tapos na? Dasig ba? Tapos na? Sino pang ga-answer? 3 minutes? 3 minutes. Tapos na? Yan. Wala na may kasulat? Alright. Papers up. Papers up. Pencils up. Pencils up. Exchange your papers with your seatmate. Exchange. Right, corrected by. Now, who can answer number 1? Yes, number 2. Yes, number 1 and 2 lang danay para hindi magtanong sa board. Number 3, yes. Number 4, Anne. Number 5, Kim. Alright. Let's check if the answer of your classmate is correct. Number 1, 24 plus 15. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Very good. This is correct. This is correct. Now, 42 plus 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is it correct? Correct. Now, 1 plus 8 is 9. Very good. 3 plus 1 is 4. Very good. It is correct. Now, 53 plus 16. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Is it correct? Now, 22 plus 12. 2 plus 2, 4. Very good. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Very good. 5 over 5. Who got 5? 5. Very good. Kada mo nakakuha 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Wala. Very good. Now, kabalo na mag-add. Intindihan na? Pamangkot, clarification, wala na. Wala na. Now, please get your assignment notebook. Sa math, ha? Assignment notebook up. Assignment notebook down. Write your assignment. Solve the following. Ada na? Ansiran ta na buwas, ha? Alright. Answer ta na buwas. Tapos na? Tapos na sulat? Wala pa. Sige, sulat lang. Tapos na? Okay, ko ang tanong ha.